to make a strong artwork, that's how I would define the sneaker equation. I would say these sneakers have gone through. What's my worst feature, okay? Look at me, okay? Look at me. I gotta breathe. Ten security guards for me? Nigga, I'm petite. My nigga, I'm small, gang. I'm young as shit. They got 10 security guards at the gate for me. And then they got niggas in the woods with paintball guns. They just shot my cameraman. You good, Mud?
No.
You will never get in. You understand me? Go to your room, lock that door, and get the reacting, nigga.